Welcome to this Windows and Computer channel. And are you a Android user? Are you a Android user? Do you have a tablet? Do you have a smartphone of any kind that has some version of Android on it? Struggling to use it, or just want to learn more, or just want to know what's happening with Android, the latest news? Well, I am reactivating an Android channel that I have. So here's the thing. It's not quite monetized yet. After looking at the stats, it has the minimum requirement of users. We're at 1,100 subscribers, which is okay. But I don't have the 4,000 hours required. And it will activate itself automatically when the 4,000 hours are actually achieved. So it's actually so close that I thought, you know what, an Android channel? Yes, I want to have an Android channel. I've got an Android tablet. I've got an Android phone. I dabble with Android regularly. Why not talk about it? And why not have something? So in the description below the video, if you are interested, I have the link to that channel. Why not subscribe and look at the videos? Now, most of them are old videos, more than a year old, that are probably pretty much useless for now. But I did post 2 videos today about Android. One about the announcement of Android 9 Pie, and the other one just to say that I'm reactivating the channel. So every day, like here on this Windows channel, like on the Insider channel, I will post daily videos of everything Android, and that starts today. So if you are an Android user, why not subscribe and follow me on that channel? Let's have it as quickly as possible, get the monetization status, and that will add another channel. I'll then be at 6 channels that are monetized, which is pretty cool. And I think it's going to be a lot of fun. And not just that, this also gave me the idea that this fall, I might actually be doing an Android live show. That could be a lot of fun also. So check it out. The link is in the description below the video, and hope that you will enjoy the content, the future content of that old new channel. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.